When you build software at scale, you quickly learn that success isn't just about code, it's about process. Continuous integration is one of those foundational processes. CI is designed to keep quality high, and it achieves that by testing every single change to make sure your system is working as expected. But that's the catch. Every change can kick off several CI jobs, and those jobs may run massive test suites that take a long time to compute. Now, this is great for maintaining quality, but remember, every test has a chance to fail, and some will, even when nothing's wrong. They're just flaky. We built Flaky tests to solve this exact issue. Instead of adding confidence, these failures end up blocking merges, wasting time in compute, and ultimately costing you money. That's where trunk Flaky test comes in. Flaky test makes it clear which failures you should focus on, using our rules-based engine which looks across multiple runs and branches to determine whether a failure is legitimate or flaky. For big teams pushing hundreds of PRs a day, that happens fast. Either way, once detected, flaky tests are presented in the dashboard, where you'll find an overview of your project's test health, as well as metrics like the number of flaky tests, the number of broken tests, and the number of PRs affected by flaky tests. Flaky failures are costly because they waste time and compute. With flaky tests, quarantining keeps your pipelines moving. Quarantine tests still run, so you keep the signal, but now they won't fail your CI or block your merges. And once they stabilize, we stop marking them as flaky. Flaky test keeps developers informed with PR comments. Each PR includes a summary of flaky failures. It also links to the logs and stack traces for the relevant tests. Our ticketing integrations enable stakeholders to keep their teams in sync. Simply create a Jira or a linear ticket right from the dashboard with all the context needed to track and resolve broken tests. Getting results into flaky tests is simple. Use the trunk CLI to upload test output directly from your CI jobs. And if you're using GitHub Actions, use our analytics uploader action in your workflow. Flaky test cuts down on wasted compute and it unblocks your developers, which means your team can ship faster because when the build is building, engineers stay productive. If you would like to gain some insight into how your test suite may be costing you money, try Flaky test out today.